Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of efficient home cleaning with the roborock Dyad Pro Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. If you're searching for the best Dyad vacuum mop, look no further. This innovative device promises to make your cleaning routine not just easier but also more effective. Let's take a closer look at what makes the roborock Dyad Pro a standout choice for keeping your floors spotless. The roborock Dyad Pro combines powerful suction and advanced cleaning technology to tackle both wet and dry messes. With its unique Dyad power cleaning head, this vacuum mop is designed to handle everything from spills to dirt and dust with ease. With an impressive suction power of 17,000 pascals, you can trust that no mess stands a chance against this powerhouse. What truly sets the Dyad Pro apart is its design. It features a combination of a full-length front roller and two rear rollers, ensuring an edge-to-edge clean that reaches all the way to walls and corners. The enhanced roller technology, paired with its intelligent suction capabilities, ensures that even the most stubborn stains don't linger. One of the standout features of the Dyad Pro is its Revo brush self-cleaning system. While you're busy cleaning your floors, the rollers are busy cleaning themselves. The alternating scrubbing action effectively removes dirt from the rollers, meaning you'll spend less time maintaining your vacuum and more time enjoying a clean home. Plus, the self-drying function uses warm air to dry the rollers, preventing any lingering odors. The Dyad Pro doesn't just stop at physical cleaning, it also incorporates smart technology for an enhanced user experience. You can easily control your vacuum mop through the roborock app, allowing you to switch cleaning modes, activate self-cleaning, and monitor your cleaning sessions, all at your fingertips. With the DirtTech Smart Sensor, the Dyad Pro automatically adapts its cleaning power and water flow based on the level of dirt it detects on your floors. This ensures that you always get the right amount of cleaning action for every type of mess, maximizing efficiency while minimizing waste. User-friendliness is another highlight of the Dyad Pro. It's lightweight and cordless, giving you the freedom to maneuver it anywhere in your home without the hassle of cords getting in your way. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making your cleaning sessions less strenuous. In conclusion, the roborock Dyad Pro Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum is not just another cleaning tool, it's a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. With its robust suction power, innovative self-cleaning features, and smart technology, it stands out as the best Dyad vacuum mop on the market today. If you want to elevate your cleaning experience and ensure your home stays spotless, the Dyad Pro is certainly worth considering. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about the roborock Dyad Pro or want to see more cleaning product comparisons, leave a comment below. Until next time, keep your home clean and your life simple.